In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Hotspot Shield VPN app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to get the right Hotspot Shield VPN app, you need to go ahead and find Play Store app on your phone. From here, if you tap on it, you will see the Play Store homepage. Make sure you sign in with your Google account before you can search. Now go ahead and search using this search bar here and just search for your app by its name. However, if you can't see this search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead now and search for your app by name. So I'll search Hotspot Shield VPN, just like that, and then go ahead and tap on the search icon. Now here we have our Hotspot Shield VPN app. Go ahead and tap on it. Now to know that you have the right app, make sure it is from Anchor Free LLS. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 1 million reviews. Currently, the file size is 28 MBs and it has over 1 million downloads. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right VPN app. And currently, this is their logo. To get it, now tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of HotShield VPN app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once you have installed this first VPN proxy app, you can proceed and tap on open here to launch it, or you can go back to your apps. And if you open your apps, you should see your Hotspot Shield VPN app. Go ahead and open it. And this is the welcoming interface. You will need to agree to the privacy policy before you can choose your plan, or you can start with your free trial. So that's how you can install the right Hotspot Shield VPN app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.